Welcome to Kelpatidia channel, where we bring you the best in homemade recipes. Today, we're diving into the Vide 20-minute keto chocolate cheesecake. Fat bombs are only one net carb each and make the perfect keto-friendly dessert to satisfy your sweet tooth. One of my favorite quick treats is these easy fat bombs. A simple chocolate flavoring using cocoa powder pairs perfectly with the heavy cream and light coating of chocolate shavings. Let's get started! Ingredients: 8 ounces cream cheese at room temperature, 1 or 2 cup heavy cream, 1 or 2 cup unsalted butter, melted 1 or 4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons powdered erythritol or any sweetener, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, chocolate shavings for coating optionally. Wait! Before starting this video, I introduce you with Live Pure, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. In a mixing bowl, add softened cream cheese, beat until light and smooth for a minute using an electric beater. Add heavy cream, butter, cocoa powder, powdered erythritol, and vanilla and beat again for 1 or 2 minutes until creamy batter is formed. Cover and place the bowl into the freeze for 10 minutes until the batter firm up a little. Meanwhile, shave some chocolate from any chocolate bar and keep it ready on a plate. Scoop out the cream cheese batter and place it on a parchment paper, and then roll them over the chocolate shavings until uniformly coated. Repeat the same with the remaining chocolate cream cheese batter. Place the fat bombs into the fridge to harden 5-10 min and serve later. Are you serious to manage your belly fat naturally? Click the secret video link in the video description. The link will delete it in few days and never up in this video. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with others. For more expert advice on living a healthier life, don't forget to subscribe to Weight Ask channel. Thanks for watching!